Hi everyone. Today in this video we will look into three key concepts in object-oriented programming: association, aggregation, and composition. We will understand these concepts with some real-world examples. Association represents a relationship between two classes where one class uses or interacts with another. There is a relationship between the classes, but that's a weak kind of relationship. Each object has its own life cycle. There is no ownership. One class can exist without the other. Let's look at a real world example. Imagine a teacher and a student. A teacher can teach multiple students, and a student can learn from multiple teachers at the same time, right? And there is no ownership between these two classes, right? Also, teacher has a collection of students, but student class has its own life cycle. So a teacher can teach multiple students, and a student can learn from multiple teachers. None of the both classes are dependent on each other, right? This is association because they are connected but can exist independently. Next, we talk about aggregation. This is special form of association where one class owns a collection of objects, but these objects can still exist independently of that class, right? Aggregation is also known as a Heather relationship. There is ownership between the classes, but each class has its own life cycle. So if parent is destroyed, then child doesn't destroyed along the parent. Let's look into let's use example in code. Here we have library and book classes. A library has multiple books, right? But the books don't need the library to exist. They are separate entities. Although library contain a list of book objects, also library class contain a collection of book objects. But if library object is destroyed, book object doesn't destroyed along that. This is aggregation because library aggregates book, but book can exist independently of the library. Finally, we talk about composition. Actually, it is called a death relationship. Composition is a strong form of association, right? We often call it a part of relationship. With composition, the lifetime of the contained object depend on the lifetime of the container object. If the container is destroyed, the contained object are destroyed with it. So once parent is deleted, child object will also be deleted. For a real world example, think of a house and rooms, right? A house is made of multiple rooms, but if you destroy the house, the rooms are gone too. As you see in this example, house is composed of room objects. When a house instance is deleted, the room objects inside it are also deleted. This is composition, where rooms cannot exist without house. Thanks for watching. I hope this breakdown of association, aggregation, and composition with some real world examples helped clarify these concepts. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching.